Okay, here's video number 2. See that? Great, I get all the way down here and we're coming all the way back.
Hide the coke. You don't want to be fucking.
What?
You don't want to be endorsing their shit, dude.
No.
He does enough investment in the product.
It's huge. Did you get all this?
What's that over there?
Little brook.
Brook?
The hell is that?
Is it a brook?
What the hell is that?
Huh?
A little water runoff.
Is it a trail or brook?
It looks like it's a fucking old trail. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Collect water.
It's got water though. Hey, what's up over here? Hold on. Right here?
Probably get right back up there that way.
Look at this. I found another trail.
I scared a bunny out of the bush.
Look at that freaking tree over there. That thing's huge.
Dude. Film that. Look at the bug eating holes in them.
Why'd you sit
That's why
on
it's
it?
off to the side.
Sit to the side of it.
Huh? That's expensive wood. I ain't sitting to the side of that shit. I'll get some kind of weird chiggers
Hi.
on me. Sit on it. Weird chiggers. He just crawl up my ass.
Little wood picture in there.
My butt's itchy.
That's a little solid and a little frozen, don't you think?
I think so.
This is called adventuring, redneck style. Talk about old back roads.
Yeah, right? That shot's really good right now getting here.
Actually see the tire marks. Yeah. You know, it's not been in here in years. Yeah, I've never seen it in here. I was a kid.
I don't know, maybe.
No, I don't think Roy wants to do that. You need a tarp?
Although on the top there it looks not too bad. Maybe it's a little steep. I think the one I came down might be a little easier. What are you doing? Nice little burial mound though. I don't know about that. That's a little questionable. No? Just the way things fell? I wasn't so cold until now. Now I'm getting a little chilly. Oh, you ain't going up that. Don't even try it.
I should jump back up it.
I got 2 videos of this so far because if I put too long of a video, YouTube will be like, bap.
Beautiful.
Okay. Coming up, this is not as bad as coming down.
This is where you need a horse.
Hi everybody! You finally see me in a video and I got a funky looking bonnet hat that I made.
This is like when you need a horse and a house Cartwright in bed.
Honey? Gentlemen? Somebody?
Oh, sorry, hang on.
I got a camera in one hand. Yeah, right?
Sorry.
Or a crane. What about that way?
Well, Neil's got a freaking dentist appointment.
Yeah,
Let's see, what's